LPS dressed.
What?
Getting my LPS dressed. I'm making a video. Okay, so this cat is going to be my first. I'm going to cut out and come back in, and you're going to see how I dress her. So this is her when she's dressed. You can comment down below if you like it or not. Next one is this cat, which is already dressed. You're going to comment down below which one you like more. If you think she doesn't look good or she looks good. Next one I'm going to dress is, and the very last one I'm going to dress is a little kitten. This kitten. Cutting out by back. We're back, and this is her. Comment down below if you like her or not. Okay, guys, bye.